Alright, so this is Algebra 1, 4.1. And we're going to talk about whether things are linear functions. Okay? Not just that they're functions, but if they're linear functions. So there's a little bit of a difference of what you were saying, Albie, right? Like you were saying, hey, if they're a function as long as the same x doesn't come up twice, right? That's a function, right? So as long as the same x doesn't come up twice, as long as there's not two negative 2s, or two negative 1s, or two zeros, or two 1s, or two 2s, as long as there's not two of them, then it's a function, right? But is it a linear function, right? And so to be a linear function means everything's got to go up by the same amount. So in this case, it's going plus 1, right? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So far so good. Everything's going up by the same amount. Okay? And so now you want to see, does this go by the same amount?
Nope. I'll take this.
Right? And so it goes minus 1, plus 1, plus 3, plus 7, 8, something like that. Plus 7 or 8, plus 5, weirdo. Right? So it's changing by, but it's changing by a different amount, right? And because it's changing by a different amount, we know it's not linear. Right? I can look at this and know that it's a quadratic. Right? I can look at this and see that if this is squared, it's 1. If this is squared, right? And then this squares, and this is a square. So these are all perfect squares. 9 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, right? And so probably has something to do with being a quadratic. Not saying it is, I guess, but I am saying that it looks like it could be a quadratic, right? But all you need to know is that it doesn't go up by the same amount, and so therefore, not linear. Okay? It's not a linear function. And that's because it doesn't go up by the same amount each time. Make sense? So the next one, it's a lot easier if we look at it in this terms, isn't it? If I take this and put my x's and my y's and the lowest x, right? So the lowest x would be negative 3. So that would be negative 3, 8. Negative 2, 6. Negative 1, 4. 0, 2. And 1, 0. Okay? And then I look at it and go, oh, yep, these are all going up by 1, right? But what about these? Well, these are all going down by 2, right? They're all consistent. So this is not linear or linear. They go up by the same amount, they go down by the same amount. But these two amounts are different. Is this nonlinear or is this linear? Anyone? Someone? One? Not sure? Okay.
Wait, what?
Is this linear or not linear? Linear. Yeah. The bottom has a pattern, the top has a pattern. Even though the patterns are different, it's okay. It does have a pattern. And they follow, it goes up by 1, this goes down by 2 every single time. They both share a pattern, so therefore, yes, this is linear.